Hey everyone, it's Jackie Potter with Compass Santa Barbara, and I am here in the bright and sunny Encina Royale community. We are super excited to bring you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, so come with me, let's check it out. Encina Royale, located in the heart of Goleta, is a vibrant community for active adults aged 55 and older. Situated on 42 landscaped acres, there's a range of amenities including a 9-hole golf course, heated swimming pool, clubhouse, and gym, all free for residents and their guests. Another wonderful thing about this location is that it gets beautiful sunlight throughout the entire day.
The unit just finished a comprehensive renovation, attending to every detail. This includes the removal of the popcorn ceiling, installation of new floors, recessed lighting, and a fully equipped kitchen with new appliances, as well as fresh paint, upgraded hardware, and fixtures. Additionally, air conditioning has been added. The laundry has been brought inside, and the flex room underwent a transformation to become more of a private bedroom or office. This home has been renovated to provide the new owner with a move-in ready space, worry-free.
The primary bedroom is very spacious and has a private patio with beautiful views of the Goleta Mountains. It also has a large walk-in closet and a space for a small office as well. The community truly fosters an active lifestyle with planned activities like exercise classes and various clubs. Plus, this specific unit has very close access to the community garden. Encina Royale is pet-friendly, and the monthly dues cover basic cable TV, cable internet, water, and trash. Within a few blocks of the property, residents have access to shopping centers and entertainment, including Trader Joe's, Sprouts, various drugstores, pickleball courts, pet shops, banks, urgent care centers, a veterinarian, a hardware store, a movie theater, and a lot of local restaurants. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this condo or would like to schedule a private tour, please reach out. Have a good day.